Now, before we run it though, we have to configure this program a little bit. And to configure it, I recommend that you open this AutoGPT folder that was created with a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Now, as mentioned, you won't need to write any code, no worries, but configuring this AutoGPT tool simply is a bit easier and more convenient if you do it with help of such a code editor. And Visual Studio Code is a tool you can download for free for all operating systems. And once you have installed it on your system, you can simply open this AutoGPT folder that was created with Visual Studio Code. Now, the exact look of this code editor might look different for you because I already tweaked its appearance to look the way I want it to look. And you can, of course, set it up however you want, but that's all not too important because we just need to use this tool to edit a couple of files. Most importantly, this .env.template file. You should rename this to just .env. So remove the .template at the end. You also find these instructions here. To be precise, here they recommend that you copy it and then change its name, but you can also just directly rename it. Then you should open this .env file in a text editor and find the line that says OpenAI API key. And after the equal sign, as it says there, you should then paste in your OpenAI API key, which you got earlier. This information will then be used under the hood by this AutoGPT tool so that it's using these GPT models with your key. Therefore, here in this .env file, which exact look will definitely change over time. It's changing all the time, but in this file, you should somewhere find this line here. And here, you should paste in your OpenAI API key, which will look something like this. That's not my actual key, by the way, but you should use your key here and use that as a value for the OpenAI API key field here. Thereafter, make sure you save this file and you close it. Now, once you did that, you are ready to run AutoGPT. Now, there is way more you can configure also in this .env file, and you should definitely take a look at the official documentation and also this GitHub page and all the information you find here to learn all about this tool and all about the different options this tool gives you. But here I just want to get you started with this tool, and therefore we'll keep it nice and simple here and we'll just go through the basic configuration. With that, we're then ready to run this tool.